Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to use correctly the black bars in your videos. Also when and why to use them. Let's start with the video.
Only thing I got left are a couple of voicemails, and that big ass mirror that you got me for my own. Was gonna throw it out too, but then the wall would be empty. When I look at it sometimes I see you.
We use the black bars when we want our videos to look like a movie, because the movies are filmed in an aspect ratio of 21:9, so they are wider. These cameras that they are using have these anamorphic lenses that for sure they are very expensive. Our cameras, normal cameras, the cameras that are accessible to us, they are actually filming at 16:9 and they are like not that wide. So when we put these black bars up and down, then it looks like they are wider. It appears that it's wider, but they are not. Still, we have the feeling that we're watching a movie. Now, not always we want to make our videos look like a movie. Like for example, right now, I'm talking to you. This is more like a vlog, it's something more personal. So if I would make this like a movie, it wouldn't express the same feeling, right? So now let's go to Premiere Pro and I will show you how to use the black bars correctly. Okay guys, we're going to put here the black bars in a correct way. The correct way to do it, and I keep saying that because many people are using PNG files here and I don't like it. I don't like it because when you watch it on a TV or a bigger screen than a phone, it looks bad. You can see the difference. So let's do it the correct way. We're gonna use an effect. We're gonna come here to the effects and we're gonna look for the effect called crop. As soon as you put crop, you can see that it's under video effects, transform and crop. You're gonna pull it, but not in the video, okay? We're not gonna put the effects in the videos here because we want to move the videos around the black bars, and I'm gonna explain you. You're gonna see how I'm going to do it. So where are we gonna put it? So we're gonna come here and we're gonna create an adjustment layer. Then we're going to put the adjustment layer on the top of the video, and of course we're going to set exactly the size of the videos, and now we can put the crop effect on the adjustment layer. Now why? Remember I told you I'm going to move the videos, so that's why I don't want to put it in the videos. But why? I will show you now. We're going to come here to the effect controls. We're going to go here all the way down where we have the effect that we just put, crop, and on the top we're going to put here 13%. And then we're gonna go to the bottom and we're gonna put also 13%. As you can see, we already have the black bars. But now, if we come to the video, look at this. I'm not selecting the adjustment layer. Now I'm going to select the video. I'm here in the video. If we come to position, and I want you to look at the screen where the video is, look how I move it. I can actually move the video under the black bars, you see? This is amazing. So that's why I don't put the effect in the video, because if you do that, then you're not gonna be able to do this, okay? And that's it, you have the black bars. Now, if you wanna play with the black bars, you can give a little animation like I did in the intro in the video. We can come again here where you have the top and the bottom, and we're gonna create keyframes. So let's see if we put the clock here, click, and the keyframe is created. And on the bottom, we do the same. Pack. There you go. Now, if we go to the beginning of the video, let's put 0. And let's put 0. So we go like we don't have the black bars. And now, if we go forward, you will see that the black bars are animated. You see how they appear? Nice. But to make it smoother, it's always good and recommended. I'm gonna make this bigger so you can see, to come here in the keyframes, and we're gonna put right click and we put easy out, and now here right click and easy in. Why like this? Out because the effect is coming out of here, and in because the effect is coming into this keyframe. And we're gonna do the same on the bottom and in. And now I want you to see how it looks. Nice, it looks smooth. Simple, easy, done. We talk about aspect ratio in this video a little bit, but I'm making a video that I'm gonna post very soon where I'm gonna help you to maximize your potential for your YouTube videos using the proper aspect ratio. So if you don't want to miss out, subscribe to the channel that I'm posting every week. So until next week.